Welcome back to another construction update. This is update number 23 here at Stonebridge Country Club. We're outside of the new bistro, which you can hear in the background is being worked on. You can see the beautiful golf course behind me, number 18. Unfortunately, the weather isn't so beautiful. We've had a lot of rain this week, a lot of dark skies. We have bad weather coming up this weekend, which is not great for growing grass on the front nine, but we will have the course open, the full course open on December 29th. You should have received an email just today actually with details about that. So today we want to take a look at what's going on in the bistro. There's been a lot of work occurring. The general contractor is telling us that they are still on schedule for the middle of January for a certificate of occupancy, which means we still potentially can get open by the end of January. So let's take a look at the new kitchen equipment. And now that we're out of the wind, you can see into the new bistro kitchen, the equipment being staged, and we have a series of photos included in this update, and I think the captions are pretty self-explanatory, so enjoy the work that is taking place as we speak.